to my channel. This is Jenny's Outlet here as usual. If today is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my grandma's yam sauce recipe. Okay, here I have otazi. Otazi is better if you use the fresh one. I have anywhere outside Nigeria, dry ones would do. I have otazi, just a little bit because it's really bitter. I have my oba. This was a dry oba. I had to soak it. I have my pepper and onion blend here. I have salt, Maggi, and red onion. This red onion is good because you're going to fry it till it turns a little bit brown, like a little bit, not too much. Then I have my crayfish. I have my seasoning cube here. Here I have the pot I'll be using to make the sauce. I have my yam bean steamed here, okay, and here I have my red oil. I'll be taking just a little bit of that to make the sauce. Okay, first of all, let's pour the onion and get the sauce. Let's pour the oil and get the sauce started. So pour a good amount. Remember, you need the sauce to eat the yam. You need the oil to eat the yam, okay? So that's enough. So let it heat up. Then when it heats up, I'm going to introduce my onion, okay? Because I need to fry it till it's like a little like golden brown. And if you check, I sliced it tiny. It's not big chunks. And this is for a reason. It makes it dry up quicker. So the oil is still not hot yet, so we're gonna heat up that oil real quick. Right here I'm gonna add my onion. So I'm gonna add my salt. This will get everything all over. The right way to check for yam is to try it. You see, it goes through, so it is done. Okay, you don't need a soft yam. The yam is ready. For some reason, the yam is yellow, the yellow yam. So while our onions keep frying, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It must have fried to the consistency I like. So guys, this is what the onions look like. If you see, it's been cooking. So I'm gonna add the crayfish. I'm gonna add crayfish at this point. The crayfish makes the food taste different and everywhere smell good. Like, you guys know the smell now. I don't have to talk too much. So you see, I've added the crayfish, and you see I didn't add a lot. It's just a little bit to cook it properly. So at this point, I'm going to introduce my pepper mixture. Introducing my pepper mixture to this bad boy here. See, my pepper mixture is here. Just gonna give it a quick stir. Stir it up really, really well, and start from there. Let this cook very well, cook them very well. But just because the oba was dried up, that's the only reason why I'm adding it now. So I'm going to start everything. Let it cook. I'll show you guys when it cooks down. So guys, this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna add some salt, pepper. This is because I like it spicy. Seasoning cube. Then a little bit of the bitter stuff I showed you. So yeah, this is my sauce here. I'm done with it. Okay, and then when food is ready, come and eat if you're hungry. This is oba and yam. That's the kind of food I like these days. Nyachukwara mam di mo wi mo lamde. But this is the food I like.